Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Alpha Team. Today we're making another video for unboxing iPhone 12. iPhone 12 Blue. I purchased today iPhone 12 Blue 128 GB. And iPhone 12 is very slim. It is standard screen size is 6.1 inches, weight is 162 grams. And now the Apple already changed the charging cable to C type. And this if you can see, this box is very slim and smart because phone charger and adapter is not available. That is sold separately. You can see this note, this one power adapter and headphones sold separately. So this box is not including headphones and power adapter, and it is 5G enabled. This is the first flagship phone from the Apple company that is 5G enabled. So it is very warm welcomed in the markets and sold just like a hotcakes. It is carrying iOS 14.1, upgradable to iOS 14.2, Apple A14 Bionic chip, hexa-core, and 4 GB RAM. If we speak about the cameras, so 12 megapixel camera, and nano SIM is available, as well as eSIM. So we can enjoy two SIMs. And the color black, white, red, green, blue are available. If we speak about batteries, the battery is 2815 milliamperes, non-removable, and that is pretty much enough to play music up to 65 hours. And display is Super Retina, XDR, OLED, HDR10, 625, 1200 nits per peak, as compared to the iPhone 11 that is Liquid Retina. And it can stand on its own, just like iPhone 4 and 5. So it memorize the old memories, just hit our old memories. So just think that when we start using iPhone 4, and that was a pretty much good design, we like it. So, and this is now glossy look is